So welcome to the channel. It has been a while. So today I'm gonna be talking about how we can apply subsequent loan using the HELB mobile application. So let's first go and check if we've been given option to apply for a subsequent loan 2024-2025 financial year. So you log into your application. For me, I already signed in this mobile application, so I'm going to just log in. So first of all, if you want to check your status, you will come here and select the year you want to check. For example, for me last time, you can see I was disbursed, loan partially disbursed, loan partially, but I cut this loan. And if you have balance in this in your HELB account, it will appear here. So you can see I have 00 upkeep wallet balance. The upkeep balance will appear there. That's when you will be allowed to withdraw using this button. So you will click withdraw, then select the amount you want to withdraw. Then for subsequent loan application, you will have to click here apply subsequent. I think you can see. So you will be given a manual. Select the product of that you qualify for, read financial literacy guide, take literacy quiz, phone number verification. You'll have to verify your phone number before being allowed to continue or proceed applying your loan. Then product submission. So I'm going to get started. So you can see we have 2024 already. Kasim academics subsequent is on. CASNEP exam, this is for NEC, is on. You can see we have not been given the subsequent for undergraduate and for TVET, and even for we have TVET. We have special loan for TVET. Those are studying medicine in TVET, they are given a special kind of loan. So please guys, I will update you on any process that will be taken. So I will be coming here to show you how we can apply this subsequent for this financial year 2024-2025. So stay tuned, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys. Thank you so much.